Hello, Game Changers. It's Amanda Gambrell, your Clinical Success Director here at Restore. I am so excited to introduce to you our first session of It's Your Move. Today, we're going to talk about Pinball Palooza and how you can target balance and mobility. I'm going to share my screen with you and get into the platform as we get into Pinball Palooza. So you're going to hit Just Play. You will scroll down to Pinball Palooza, and this does take 2 controllers as we are doing upper extremity involvement. You will calibrate your controllers here. And what we will do is we are going to work on our dynamic mobility. So you see I'm in standing, okay? You can increase the difficulty here by putting a balance pad under your patient's feet. It's going to have them work on their lateral mobility if you don't want a balance pad so that they can decrease their fall risk and remain safe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below, or if you have a topic you would like for us to discuss, drop it as well. Thank you. Have a good day.